Hello, everybody. Many of you know that I love technology and I love figuring out different ways to use technology to influence and inspire our students or even the adults in our organization. Today, I just want to show you the latest version of Gemini. So, this is my Gemini login screen. There are some really great tools here to take a look at. And so today we are going to use the build tool right here. So I'm going to click build. And there's lots of things you can build in Gemini version 3. You can make a website, you can make a web-based application, such as this one, an asteroid shooter game. Maybe you're interested in building something that'll help you continuously work out throughout the week and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a game. And I've already written the prompt, so I'm just going to get it started, and then I'll read the prompt to you. So as this gets moving, it's going to understand the prompt that I wrote while also beginning to build the game, creating code, and developing the core mechanics of software development. So let's take a look. Here's the code as it's writing, and here was my prompt, so let me read the prompt to you. I wanted to build a retro futuristic three-dimensional Viking runner game where the user, a Viking, is tasked with collecting the correct sequence of numerals in the correct order. So, for example, I said the user can control the Viking with arrow keys or touchscreen controls on a tablet or phone. So basically, I'm saying let's make this game so that you can play with it on your phone or a tablet or just on your desktop. There should be 3 lanes that the user can move from lane to lane, attempting to count from 1 to 10. The user must avoid unrelated objects that are designed to get in the way of the numerals. The game should allow the user to exit and go back to the menu and try a different challenge. And then the challenges should be counting by 2s to 20, counting by 3s to 30, 4s to 40, and 5s to 50. Please I'm asking it to add background music, to include an announcer that tells the user what to do at each level, include celebratory sound effects where the user successfully collects the correct next numeral, include a negative sound effect if there's a mistake. After 3 lives, bounce the user back to the main home page if the user is successful. Display animated celebratory achievement. All right, so while I was reading this, you saw that it was coding and it has a prototype for us to play with right here, which is very interesting. And I just want to read the notes here. So it's going to use the 3D engine. It's going to use a retro futuristic style. It's going to try to do music and sound effects. All right, that's exactly what I was hoping to do. So let's try this. Now, keep in mind, sometimes when I screencast, you may not hear everything, so I will announce that to you if if I can hear it and you can't. Okay.
Viking. Count by ones to 10.
All right.
Go.
Okay. Whoa. So I can move my. Whoops. Oh, weird. That's weird. I don't know why it's saying that. All right. So that is actually pretty cool. So I'm going to return to base. I'm going to try counting by 2s. All right. Oh, it's telling me what number to collect next. Oh, interesting. Interesting. This game is actually pretty fun. Wow. This is actually pretty cool. All right. So there are a lot of things. Some people think that artificial intelligence is going to hamper creativity. I think the opposite. I think that we can build
Hi.
things that have never existed before and create them right here on your desktop and do it in a quick manner. Imagine now in the future teachers in classrooms creating web-based applications in minutes, maybe in seconds, and deploying them to kids to inspire and influence them to enjoy the work that we do each and every day. So thanks for checking out this version of Gemini version 3.